welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Partners in Cream update. This is a painting project. It's in its second year. It was created by Steph Lyons and Delynn. I'm going to have them listed down below, and I believe there is a playlist too, so that is going to be linked down below. There is a ton more people doing it this year, which is awesome. It is absolutely awesome because this project is awesome. And I have said in the past, as long as they are doing this project, I am going to be joining them for this because I got a lot of cream products, and as we know, those go bad a little bit faster. Any creams, liquids, gels, anything along those lines. Basically anything that is not a powder product and has that susceptibility of going off quicker. So that is what this project is about. It is an 11-month project. Started January 10th. We'll go to December 10th. We will have a month off, and hopefully it will come back again next January 10th. Crossing my fingers. You can start anywhere from 3 to 6 products at a time. I had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was a nice, easy number. I chose really hard products for this one, and I had asked everyone last time, did you want to see me bring in something for usage? Overwhelming majority said yes, bring in something for usage, though there were quite a few people that also said, no, you got enough on your plate already, don't do it. But I brought something in. I did because I wanted to play with things and use other things, and I brought something that is not going to be a huge conflict anywhere else. I mean, I am working on another of this type of product elsewhere, but I know I'm going to finish it this year, and so it's really not a conflict. It's something that I also got in PR recently, and I really need to review it. So I figure using it in here, it just makes sense. I get to play with it without feeling guilty because it's not in a project, and I get to see if I like it. So, and then I can let you guys know if I like it. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this. I have no empties this time. I didn't think I was going to, but do have a little bit of progress. But I'm going to go through everything that I have in order of what when I brought it in originally. So the first is this Maybelline Color Drama. It's a lip paint in strip down. I think I've used this once or twice since the last update because I'm working on a lip stain in another project that is smaller, and I had already had some usage on that one, so I really wanted to prioritize that one. It is not done, so I'm using this very sporadically, but it is getting some usage. The weight has not changed on that. It's still at 12 grams. This next one, I've used the heck out of it, and you would think it would be gone. It's not. This is the Buxom liquid lipstick in Wine Me. I wear this so much. I get a lot of compliments on it, but it's not going anywhere. Technically, it's still at 7 grams, but my scale only does like whole grams. It doesn't do any fractions or anything like this. It's when I put it on, it kind of hovers between 6 and 7, but it ultimately stops at 7. So I feel like maybe it will be at 6 grams by the next update. Like I said, I use it all the time, and yeah, it's going to take me forever to get that done. Next one is the e.l.f. Lip Lock Pencil. Can you tell I've used it with a Buxom Wine Me? It looks like that. It has not gone down at all. I've only used it, I think, twice since the last update because I was prioritizing another lip liner that is now done. And I will start using that one a little bit more. The next one, let's see, is, I find this one kind of exciting. Some people might not. I do. But this is the ColourPop Jelly Matte Shadow in On the Fly. It is a gorgeous color, and the lid just fell off. I hit pan in that one. I'm so excited. Of course, it's going to change once I have to refresh this because I've noticed that even though I can still use it, when it starts to get a little bit dry, I don't feel like it applies as well. I keep, right over here on my shelf, I keep contact lens solution, and I just put a few drops in there when I notice it's getting a little bit dry. And yeah, it's like 10-15 minutes, let it sit in there. I don't have to mix it or anything. It just does its thing, and it's like brand new, and you know, it's good. It's very good. So it's going to take me a while, but I'm enjoying it, and I got pan, so to speak. I'm just going to keep working on it. That's why I don't do like pictures of where it where it was before, and I don't do weights because the weight can adjust based on like the drops that I have to put in it, and nothing feels like it's going to be true and accurate. So it just is what it is. I have visual opinion in it that makes me happy, but my goal is to finish the whole entire thing this year. So well, it's going to take the whole entire year. Next one is also ColourPop. It is the BFF Cream Gel Liner in Puppy. It's the orange one. I don't have as good a progress this time because I've been working on some other liners. I'm not going to roll it up because I feel like it's starting to get more dry and I just don't want to snap it off. But I was at this purple line before. Now I'm at this purple line. It's going to take me months to get it done, but I am still using it. I'm making very good progress on it. It's not my absolute favorite color on my eyes, which is weird because I like orange eyeshadows and stuff like that. But this, like around the rims of my eyes, it makes me look tired or strung out or something. It's not a good look for me. But I am enjoying using it on my upper lids and like my upper lash line, I should say. And then I will tap a eyeshadow on there that I want to, you know, set it with so nothing slides, and I can kind of make my own eyeliner color. It's just, you know, something I've done for a while, and that's probably how I'm going to finish it off. All right, so those are my products that I have in to finish this year. They're all going to take a long time. I don't know why I didn't think to even put something in here that might get done in a timely fashion so that I could roll some new stuff in. I don't know what I was thinking. So I did bring in something for usage. It is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Primer. I got this from PR. It is still completely sealed. I don't know if you can see that little seal right there. I hate counting usage, like tally marks. That's just not my thing. I'm so busy and I get distracted by little kids and stuff like that. So I decided to make this really easy on myself. I'm going to do a weight usage and not a number of uses because it's just easier for me to track. You know, once a week I can weigh this and say, am I at my goal? Am I not at my goal? And, you know, it just makes my life a little bit easier. This is currently at 37 grams with the little sticker still on it. I would like to get to a nice even 30 grams. I feel like 7 grams of usage for a liquid product is not unreasonable. And by the time I finish 7 grams, I should be able to form an opinion of whether I like this product or not, and I can let you guys know and do my review on this and see if I really truly like it. I will say I'm a little bit worried because I'm a shiny, oily kind of girl, and anything that says illuminate, anything like that worries me. I just don't want to look like a disco ball, so to speak, because you know, I haven't even had my makeup on that long and I already feel really shiny. So we'll see how it goes, especially on warm days, which today is not one of them. It's cold and rainy outside, but we'll see how she goes. So I would like to use 7 grams of this, and at least, you know, weights I can track and say, oh, I'm down 1 gram this update, or I'm down 2 grams this update. I feel like something is infinitely trackable with this product. So we'll see, and I will let you know in a month if I've used a bunch of it, if I haven't, if I like it, if I don't, all that good stuff. Again, Steph and Delyn, they're going to be linked down below. They are the creators of this amazing project. Woo, words. I'm going to link them down below. The playlist will be linked down below. If you want to join in, by all means, it is open to everyone. Just let myself, Steph, or Delyn know so that we can get you added onto the playlist, and that way other people can find you too if you were doing this project. All right, going to wrap it up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.